How to add account to Microsoft Authenticator. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Authenticator app. Then click on Add Account in here. After you click on Add Account, you can add account from various options in this way. Click on Personal Account if you want to add your Microsoft account. Choose your account and you'll be logged into your account. After you've done that, this is one way to add account. If you want to add any other accounts for authentication, what you can do is click on passwords and you'll be able to add other accounts in authentication. And this is how to add account to Microsoft Authenticator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.